In today's video, I am going to teach you how to bulk export contacts from Freshsales. First, it is important to set the right expectation. Freshsales does not currently offer a true bulk export option for contacts in the way some other CRMs do. Instead, the reliable method is to export contacts one at a time and repeat the same process for each record you need. This works well when you only need a selection of contacts, or when you are exporting contact details for sharing, record keeping, or moving information into another tool. To get started, look at the left side vertical navigation bar in Freshsales. Find and click the Contacts icon. It looks like a person's silhouette. This takes you into your Contacts area, where you will see your contact list view. From this list, locate the specific contact you want to export. Take a moment to confirm you are selecting the correct person, especially if you have similar names in your database. Once you find the right entry, click directly on the contact's name. That opens the contact record page, where you can view their full details. Next, move to the top right corner of the contact record. You will see a three-dot icon, which is the More Options menu. Click the three dots to open the menu, then select Export. This tells Freshsales you want to generate an export for this specific contact. After you choose Export, Freshsales will send the downloadable export to your email. Give it a short moment to process, then check your inbox for the export message. If you do not see it right away, wait a bit longer, and then check other folders, such as spam or junk, depending on how your email is set up. Once you receive the email, follow the link or download option provided to save the exported file. From there, repeat these same steps for the next contact you need to export, continuing until you have exported all required contacts. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.